disarming number 4. Yung tinatawag na underarm pushing. Okay? Okay? Basic. Side step, downward looking, palm heel strike, then, nakita nyo, sabay, kuha dito. Pag push mo lang to, iwalay, disarm, pwede ka na, kick. Okay? Ito yung kabilang side. Okay? Iba naman ang ginawang kick, pero kahit ano, pwede. Downward hooking, ha? On the strike, yung side step, kung mawawala. Then, hold, push. Okay, so na yan. Kahit ano. Okay. Oh. Okay. Harness, disarming number 5, inside defense. Yung tinatawag na outside scooping. Disarm. Okay? Basic. Basic. Third step, palm strike, scoop, then arm, then flip. Okay. Ito yung kabilang side. Basic. Side step, downward looking, palm strike sa distraction, scoop, arm, then wala. Then, okay. Harness, disarming number 6, inside defense, number 6. Okay, yung tinatawag ko na push down, shoulder, push, shoulder, disarm. Okay, shoulder pushing. Okay, collect sa basic. Inside step, downward looking, on strike, scoop, papunta sa shoulder, yung pressure, arm, disarm, well dito, boom. Okay? Basic. Side step, downward looking, on strike, shoulder, twist yung dito, magti-twist ka, dalhin yung shoulder, push, then, elbow strike, boom, or pambraso. Okay, ito naman yung outside defense. Kanina, inside defense, harness, ngayon, outside defense ang gagawin ko ngayon. Number 7. Harness, disarming, outside defense, number 7. Okay? Okay? So yung basic. Basic. Outside. Downward looking. Palm strike. Then, underarm. Then push. Pwede mo na siyang panata ng kahit anong sipa. Pwede mo siyang or dito. Pwede kahit ano. Okay, basic. Outside, downward looking. Then palm strike. Then underarm. Push. Ay saan, nag-open. Palm. Ay saan, okay? Okay, outside. Ito yung harness, outside defense, number